In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix it if you can't bold text in Canva. If you've ever tried to highlight a word, hit the bold button and nothing happens. Don't worry. This usually isn't a glitch with Canva itself, but rather a limitation of the specific font you're using, and it's very easy to work around once you know what to look for. Let's start with what's actually going on. In Canva, not every font comes with a bold version built in. Some fonts are designed only in a regular weight, and because of that, Canva has nothing bolder to switch to when you click the bold icon. So instead of changing the style, it just stays exactly the same, which makes it feel like bold is broken. To fix this, the main idea is to switch to a font that actually supports bold. Begin by selecting the text you're trying to format. Make sure it's highlighted so Canva knows that's the part you want to change. You'll see the font name at the top of the Canva editor, in the toolbar. Click on that font name to open the full font list. Here's where you can test things out. Try choosing a different font from the list, ideally one of the more common or standard fonts, since those almost always have bold versions available. Once you've picked a new font, with the text still selected, click the bold icon again. If the font supports it, you should immediately see the text become thicker and heavier on screen. If the text still doesn't change, that's a good sign that this new font also doesn't have a bold style. In that case, just repeat the process. Pick another font from the list and test the bold button again. It may take a couple of tries, but you'll quickly start recognizing which fonts reliably offer bold. Many of Canva's default fonts come with regular, bold, and sometimes even extra bold options, which gives you more flexibility for headings and emphasis. As a quick tip, once you find a font that bolds correctly and fits your design, try to stick with it throughout your project for a clean, consistent look. Mixing too many fonts can make your design feel messy, even if the bold feature is working. So remember, if bold isn't doing anything, it's almost always because that particular font doesn't have a bold style. Simply switch to a font that can be bolded, and you'll get the emphasis you need without any frustration.